It takes a brave person to commit to a colour like this, but in this case, it absolutely paid off. Hi Domain, I'm Carlene Duffy, designer and renovator, and welcome to the bunk room of our Cudgera Creek farmhouse project. This is probably the smallest room in the house, so we therefore decided, let's do bunks, and it became the kids' room. We found these very inexpensive flat pack bunks from somewhere online, so to elevate it and give it a little bit more personality, we had Georgina and Cam paint it in this sort of electric blue, and you should always do a semi-gloss if you're painting furniture so that it just wears a little bit better. Obviously, colour is the hero in this house, and we've probably pushed the boundaries the most in this room. It's quite a strong citrine-y sort of green. That western sun was hitting it and making it this really neon colour. But once the window canopy went on and all the furniture came in, it 100% made sense. It already has a fair bit of character and interest in it, so we didn't want to compete with that. The rug's just really simple with a subtle texture. It doesn't add any more colour to the space. It blends, but just adds a pop of something extra. We found this very old wardrobe from Facebook Marketplace for an absolute steal. I think it was like $50. And we simply pulled out the glass panels that were in here and replaced it with a really sweet curtain. We went with linen bedding in all the rooms. It just felt important in Australia and in this sort of climate. And the plaid is definitely a nod to old Australia and what I think of farm life.